This is us on the bus.
Orange.
Orange is yellow.
Number 1.
What?
Which is white.
Number 3.
92 and 3.
Okay.
Oscar likes it. You already picked those.
Exactly.
Wait, can we see them
I
all?
need another chance.
This is Tim. Tim is back. Yay, Tim back.
Hey, are we recording? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hey, smell.
Yeah, but I don't have to do it.
Are you getting off at home? Let's start it. Let's start.
This is us on a bus.
Let's start. Start taping.
I have.
Are you serious? I thought you were kidding.
This is Tim.
What?
Okay.
Oscar James. You can't
Okay. Well, there. Whoa, James. Hug a guy of your choice. Upset James. Sing a song aloud.
This is the person we're interviewing.
Do the chicken dance. Hug
We're
Sam.
interviewing you.
They ask a question of truth. Tell someone of your choice you love them.
We're interviewing.
Oh.
Alright, so wait, Cash, we gotta choose 5 on the spot questions to ask them. Okay. Alright, what are 5 questions that she has to answer on the spot? This is Emma, everybody. She's our first 5 on the spot person.
What?
Okay.
Make it easy, please.
Jerry, do I have to say that?
If you want to.
Damn it.
No, actually no, don't say that. Wait,
I went the other way.
the opposite one. The opposite one to what I said. The opposite of female.
Oh my god. Damn me, say.
No, what's another one?
Have you ever kissed a boy?
Yes.
Who?
No last names. Do I name them all?
That's funny. No.
Which one?
Name the most recent one.
Recent.
The name one.
Recent. Jake.
Alright, okay. If you had to choose one of your friends' boyfriends, who would it be? And if you had to go out with them. You have to answer these questions.
Ben. Smith.
Ben.
Of course. He's so Devo.
It's like
He's so
Huh.
freaking stoned.
stone.
It's like,
Next question.
but,
Come on.
like,
Next question.
Next question.
I'm so cool now.
Come on.
We got 2.
Wait, we got.
I wear snapbacks. I'm
We
cool.
got 3 more.
I play rugby, man.
Hurry up, we gotta get it off.
Jamaican.
He's not getting off the
I'll let you
contract.
make it, by the way.
Yes, yes.
Oh, where are you getting off?
Do the sunshine thing.
The sunshine. No, it's like.
Where are you getting off?
So, my house.
Oh, you live in the greenhouse that Mommy had. Yeah.
And then,
Oh, there's a new house.
and for the rain dance, I have to have my stick. I have to have a giant stick.
Yeah, that's not awkward at all. There's people on our bus.
Go.
Okay, alright. What's another question?
Have you ever tried fried rice with chicken bananas?
No.
Have you ever tried fried rice chips?
No.
I have the Chinese.
Okay, alright, no, that wasn't one of the questions. What's another question?
Chinese. Are you Chinese? Are you Chinese?
Stop. I want to shower. Take it hard.
Is Widow Emma Chinese?
What?
Is Widow Emma Chinese?
What?
Are you Chinese?
No.
Are you
Would
Chinese?
you rather lick a Korean or a Chinese person?
Who would you rather? Who would you rather lick? Korean or Japanese?
Yes, you do.
I'll go with Korean.
No.
are you doing? They have more flavor.
And then just holding my iPod up.
Back then.
I'm doing wrist exercises. I'm strengthening my wrist.
Done.
Next question.
Okay, so if you have to go over
Would
that.
you ever dress your horse up in match?
I don't have a horse.
No, that's not a question.
You live on a farm.
What's your
300 cattle.
What do you think the most painful? What do you think the most painful thing is in the world is to die from?
Acupuncture, you know.
Why are you videoing it?
I don't know because I feel like it.
You talk about it.
You know what Final Destination, you know how
Yeah.
it is acupuncture and the thing falls over?
Yeah.
Yeah, that probably.
I would say getting slowly
Or jumping off a building.
ran over by a tank. From feet to head.
Just punch her in the
Can you
vagina.
imagine that? You're just running over your feet, feeling all the pain.
I just got punched by that.
That's Vivi.
That's Vivi. We'll interview her another episode. Bang! Whoa! What? Good moment. Yeah. I'm down.
Sister to sister, Elizabeth.
Hello. Hello.
That's illegal without my permission.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Gonna report you to the cops.
Okay. Merry Christmas. Sit down. Just sit down. We're not talking to you.
Step. No. No. No.
What would you rather eat, a puppy or a kitten?
I'll go for a puppy.
No,
They're more loud and have more taste. They might have a bit more juices.
I would go kitten because I don't like cats.
You're
If
so
I had
cruel.
to.
Why would you think of that?
That's so stupid. Why don't you even eat something? Jeez, I'll go for puppy.
Okay. Oh, it's at 7 minutes. Okay, so we end this episode.
We do not end this episode yet.
Yeah, but it takes too long to download.
1 more minute.
Okay, you got 15 seconds.
We have 50 seconds.
15.
15.
Yeah. And that is the end.
That's not the end. The end is when I do the brain dance.
That is the rain dance. Goodbye.